Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy Detail Don. Thanks for tuning in again. Today we got a little different video. As you see, we got some Reshoevn8r products. I just read up on this huge bottle, you know, little Christmas present to myself, to help myself clean all the sneakers I've been wearing. And in 2020, I didn't wear very many pairs that I bought just because of the whole COVID-19 and not being able to go out. So I decided to do something around March, and that was to keep these on everywhere I go and only wear this pair. I did wear a couple other pairs, you know, on the weekends. Maybe if I went out to, like, you know, some sort of gathering, as much as you can have a gathering in 2020. But, you know, I might have switched it up on those days. But for the most part, these were my 2020 beaters right here. And honestly, they're not too beat for me, in my opinion, because I wore shoes down to the ground where the sole is separating from the actual shoe itself. So to me, these are just dirty. So we're gonna clean them up. I just wanted to invite you guys, show you how Reshoevn8r works and all that good stuff. These things clean up real nice with this product. I love using this product, so y'all stay tuned, and we're gonna, I don't know, maybe it'd be a little fast action, a little slow action, but you're gonna definitely see the difference on the B-roll from what this pair looks like dirty to what it's gonna turn out to when we finish cleaning it. It's a beautiful, beautiful Miami day out here on Saturday morning, sorry, I skipped the whole day. Saturday morning, about to clean these shoes, like I said. Before we jump into this, make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that thumbs up, drop a comment below, let me know if you like Reshoevn8r. What do you use to clean your shoes? How often do you clean your shoes? They got 3 different types of brushes, so it's really for every type of material. That's why I really like this product. These are the Air Jordan 3 United Red Cements. Basically, they came out February 2020, and basically about a month after that, ever since that, I was on the way with them on my feet everywhere, dropping off stuff at the post office, going to Publix, supermarket, that's supermarket over here in Miami, all that different stuff, man. But enough of that, let's jump into this cleaning video, man. Alright, man, so we got the shoes here. Basically, how I started off is I'm going to take off the laces of both sneakers, and from there I'll have everything open so that I'm able to clean every single part of the sneaker. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Got my gloves on so the solution don't get all over my fingers, because sometimes it does irritate it, but for the most part it doesn't. But I just don't like having my fingers all soggy and, you know, looking like that. So after we got both laces out, we're gonna go ahead and put our laces into this
different bitches with different vibes. Anytime I call this live, and that's exactly what I like. Hey, I got bitches all different flavors, all different colors like a rainbow. And they call them my lifesavers, cause they know how to play their role. On go, that's what lil' mama on. I put them all in position, and they all get along. I'm like, Lord, I don't know which one I like. I mean, they all cool, they all alright, like, no particular preference. I pull up in something majestic with a bad little temptress. You niggas know where I'm headed, I'm on my way to go get it. My pocket full of them Benjis, check out my neck is refreshing. All this water, tell a bitch I can fill your order. Tell me what you need and when you want it. I can bag all them, your mama, your aunt, and your sister. Damn, that nigga young and came so vicious. I don't think they understand how deep it run. I'm a pimp by blood, not relation. I'm the type to cut them off and replace them, and you the type to fall in love and just chase them. And that's why I'm so ahead of these niggas, better than niggas. I don't stress them, I be checking them, nigga. I get the head, that's a prerequisite, nigga. Get her legs to the ceiling, she bust it open and I'm ready to get it, yeah. I got bitches all different flavors, all different colors like a rainbow. And they call them my lifesavers, cause they know how to play their role. See, y'all know what lil' mama on. She changed up like a mood ring ring as soon as she got it on. But Snow Bunny come our way, I'm cold as Santa on the sleigh. I want your lady marmalade, I got the juice, I got the wave. On the truth, there's no debate. See these other niggas capping, baby, I just make it happen. I be laid back, I be macking, but that ass is a distraction. Ain't you too bad to be manless? So it's time that we get nasty, make a movie cinematic. Cookie dough, pistachio, a little rump raisin. You could pick your poison, bet I make you feel amazing. Forget particulars, I want you when I'm feeling ya. She felt my third leg in my fibula. I got bitches all different flavors, all different colors like a rainbow. And that's all of my lifesavers, cause they know how to play their role. Yeah, they know how to play their role. Hockey, that's my bitch, but we gon' keep it on the low. Don't matter where I'm at, I got them in every zip code. So if you know, you know,
It's the one right
I got flavor.
They say the streets cold round here, but I don't know where these niggas from. All I got is heat in my hood. No gas in the whip, but that's all I keep in my wood. And when you pull through the block, I'm the one you gotta see in my hood. Fuck 12 and the ops still riding, clean in my hood. We don't know you, little homie. Better check it when you come around here. You know where to find a nigga, cause you not be in my hood. Though boys got anything you need in my hood. Coke, dope, smoke, and I got the tree in my hood. Jack boys run around, can't sleep in my hood. And I heard about you, you can't even be in your hood. Heard the OGs say you bring the heat to your hood. I can pull up with 2 cups and a big blunt without a motherfucking worry, cause I'm G in your hood. And I done heard about all the things the streets been saying about you. They say them perkies got you, you can't go a day without them. And we ain't fuck around with no junkies, man, them monkeys fuck the money up. Talking like you got it, but you sweeter than a honey. And you ain't even the type of nigga real one could relate with. Swerve when I see you, miss me with the fake shit. Boss moves I don't talk about, so I don't gotta lie. My niggas moving all that water like it's category 5. Then they disappear like numbers on a semi-45. I guess I'm price gouging for a couple thousand. They say the clip don't feel itself, you gotta put the rounds in. I'm fighting with the devil, no, I gotta put my rounds in. Every day she struggling, nigga. You know what the fuck we on? It's big money time. They say the streets cold round here, but I don't know where these niggas from. All I got is heat in my hood. No gas in the whip, but that's all I keep in my wood. And when you pull through the block, I'm the one you gotta see in my hood. Fuck 12 and the ops still riding, clean in my hood. We don't know you, little homie. Better check it when you come around here. Niggas love to hate on me, I win, and they can understand how I'm moving. In the streets came up from sin, and ain't no way in hell a nigga like me losing. Miss me with the cat rap and just pay me. Real shit don't never gotta be spoken. Please don't ever cross me or play me. F and leave a nigga wide open. And if you play pussy, get fucked, nigga. I'm getting money, stay far away from fuck niggas. And fuck rhyming, I'm a grimy two-timing young thief in the night. No bark, but if you reach and I bite, oh, they sleeping, aight. Coke dealer, tree pusher, a real hustler. Big body, V12, the gas guzzler. Big pistol, you know I get my slug on. Heated marble table where I weigh all of my drugs on. Midnight thug and drop, made a couple love songs. Niggas acting like they forgot I get my thug on. So I'm staying on my P's and my Q's, and I gotta keep a heater when I move, cause they say the streets cold round here, but I don't know where these niggas from. All I got is heat in my hood. No gas in the whip, but that's all I keep in my wood. And when you pull through the block, I'm the one you gotta see in my hood. Fuck 12 and the ops still riding, clean in my hood. We don't know you, little homie. Better check it when you come around here. Some things are hard to say, like you about to lose me any day. You know I feel feel some type of way. You threw my fucking love away. You threw my fucking love away. Not putting overtime, you wasn't worth the time. You wasted all of mine, you should apologize.